Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Trust Wallet balance. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for accurate, real-time data. Your main wallet screen is where you'll see an overview of all your cryptocurrency assets. This initial view provides a quick summary of your total holdings across various digital currencies, giving you an immediate sense of your portfolio's value. To dive deeper, simply tap on any specific cryptocurrency listed on your main screen. This action will take you to that asset's dedicated page. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown, including its current balance, transaction history, and its value in both its native crypto units and your preferred local fiat currency. This detailed view helps you track the performance of each individual asset within your portfolio with precision. Your total balance is prominently displayed at the very top of your main wallet screen. This figure represents the combined value of all the cryptocurrencies you hold within that specific wallet. It's typically presented in a fiat currency you've selected, such as US dollars or euros, providing a convenient, unified overview of your entire portfolio's worth. This makes it easy to grasp your overall financial standing at a glance. If your balance doesn't seem current, simply pull down on the main wallet screen to refresh the data. This action updates your holdings to reflect the latest market prices and transactions. Also, always ensure your Trust Wallet application is updated to its newest version for optimal performance and accuracy. If issues persist and your balance still appears incorrect, reach out to Trust Wallet's dedicated support team for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.